Hey guys, Jacob here from Jacob's Smoke Alarm Reviews and More. Today, we are going to be testing my home smoke alarms here again. Well, just because I thought so, because my parents aren't in the house today. Let's give the i4618AC a test. Looks like that's doing good. We'll give it a match test in a minute. Let's give. Alright, that's gonna be it. Oh, I almost forgot. We got matches to do today. Actually, here, let me turn on the light real quick. Yeah, we got this light replaced. Come on. Oh, we go. I got matches. But I'm gonna have to prop you up, so maybe my cat Jules can hold you. Yes, this is being taken on an iPhone. Shot on iPhone. Yeah, that means I'm just a smoke alarm fan guy. Alright, we'll be testing the alarm now. Ah, I created a lot of... Let's take that out of hush mode. Maybe we can have super smoke alarm party time! Okay. Well, all right. Let's give this a better test, though. Hey, let me zoom in so you guys can see what I'm doing here. My cat Jules will be watching the process, making sure that it's done safe. If I can get this one to activate, that'll be pretty decent. But first of all, we gotta activate this one. There we go. We got that one to activate. Let's see if we can get the other one to activate. Actually, yeah, I'm supposed to set you up, aren't I? Yeah, I almost forgot that. Yeah, P9050 and i4618AC. Yeah, bathroom sink is very close. Oh, I almost dropped my iPhone. There we go, now you can see it. Okay. Piece of shit smoke alarm here. i4618AC activated the better. I'm gonna pull a Smoke Alarm Dude 1000 move. If I can find some. Air freshener. Yeah, no. We're not doing that, no. I brought you here because I'm gonna test it, not fuck it up. Don't buy P9050s. Trust me, they suck. Get all the charger remains of the things. Alright. Whether or not I care or not about this alarm. There we go. I got what I deserved, didn't I? Didn't I? Yeah, I did. At least the smoke alarm smells nice now. That still works, don't worry. Alright. As long as nothing is dripping out of the sensor, we're fine. But, you know, don't ever do what I just did. I did it so you don't have to. Fuck! Damn it. God damn it. This thing is gonna false now. Okay. I'll reconnect it after it's dried out, but for right now, that's gonna be it. Bye, guys.